Okay, so I have the board all running. Right now it's waiting for the encoder index to activate. I connected a button to disable the signal, enable. Right now this is off. I'm gonna just switch it on. Okay, so as soon as it switches on, it tries to go to find a spot, which it did. It now calibrates back to the center one. So it does a little vibration because of the spring I have there to return. If I disable the spring, it will just go to one end. It will keep on to go one direction. So it's gonna leave it spring, it's fine. This is the behavior on the desktop, so it will try to center itself. Okay, right, so I'll demonstrate a little bit how smooth it is with the DAC. This is actually with the DAC. You don't hear any vibration or anything. You don't feel anything at all while it's doing the, as you can see here, the overrun. It's really smooth. Now if I try to change it to do the direct one without the DAC, let me switch it off and try it now, so you can see the difference. Now this is direct. It feels jumpy, like stepping, and you can actually see it, how it's jumping. Here it's more visible when it's near the head. Okay, so it does that little jumping there. Much other force. So it feels strange. I wouldn't recommend it at all. It's like it has Parkinson. Anyway, so I'm gonna switch back to the DAC. So I'm just disabling the enable right now signal. So if I don't do it, it will do some crazy stuff, the wheel. Okay, now have it back. You can see even with the DAC, even on the edge stop, it's really stable. It does not vibrate that much. I'm overrunning it now. It's still fine. So I'm gonna put this on. I think it's 2. Yes, it shows the torque. To show the torque, which I have here, so I get the maximum. I get 300% there, and I have the hard stop 220, 150, almost 300% overrun. Okay, so I'm gonna try to run a game. Let's see, I'll pause this. Okay, so I'm gonna run the LFS, secret layer. Okay. So this will be interesting. Let's see. So you have need both hands to steer it. So I'll try with one. Let's run some over here. Okay. Right. Alright, I think I need to restart it. Alright. So when you leave it free, it may bounce a little bit. I need to find out how to dump this. Must be a setting or something. But otherwise, it's following the forces. It's completely hard. Okay. So as soon as I press the gas, it gets soft because the wheels are slipping. It gets hard when it grips again. Let's go find some curbs. Alright, let's see. Let's see the curbs here. Okay. You can see it's really strong. Okay. I guess I'm out in space floating now. Okay, thanks for watching.